Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner videos. We do hope that you have been enjoying this series. We enjoy filming it for you. So we're going to share with you what we are having for dinner. Today is Sunday, January the 27th, and it is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We traditionally have our largest meal at around lunchtime on Sundays, but this week, today we actually have a family friend and her mother passed away. So we are on the committee to take food and things over. So we're getting a late start to eating because we had to go about 30 minutes to pick up the food and then another 30 minutes to their house. We sat for a little while and then the kids and I came back. But Jackson is going to share with you guys his meal. Mom is not eating and Alana is not eating right now. Neither one of us feel the best, but we're going to share with you what Jackson is having. So we made a batch of the fathead pizza dough and then we cut it in 4s. So we cut it in 4s so that we could make these little individual mini size pizzas. And so this is Jackson. He is just having cheese and bacon, right bud? Just cheese and bacon. And so that is what he is having for dinner. So this is just regular fathead pizza dough. We made it up, cut it in 4s, made them in circles. We baked it for the amount of time that it needed to bake before you top it. And then we just put them in the fridge. And when he was ready to make his pizza, he just put his sauce on, his cheese, and then we had 2 slices of bacon and he just put that on top. So this is what Jackson is having for dinner. There's 2 more pizza rounds left. Alana had one for lunch this past week. And there are 2 more rounds in case Alana and myself get hungry. But this is what Jackson is having for dinner. Okay, everybody. So it is Monday night, January 28th. And we are having dinner. So here's our dinner. Normally on Monday nights, we have a friend come over and eat with us, but she was unable to eat with us tonight. And we actually had a funeral we needed to go to earlier. So the kids and I are having a late dinner at 7:23. I have a ladies meeting at 9, so I've got to eat real quick and get ready for that. So I'm doing garlic. These are garlic ranch chicken thighs. And I'm having 2. I have not eaten all day. No breakfast, no lunch. I had a little piece of chicken thigh, some ham, green beans, and cabbage at the repast after the funeral. So I had just a little bit because it really wasn't keto. I mean, they didn't have a lot keto friendly. So I was happy to find a piece of ham and some green beans. And somebody has their face trying to get in my plate. So again, chicken thighs. This is garlic ranch chicken thighs. I had a subscriber send me a recipe and we use that. And then this is just cauliflower with cheese and that Spam in there, bacon bits. So that's what we're having for dinner. All right, you guys, so I thought I'd bring you along with me as I do a quick little meal for the kids. So I'm just doing some zucchini. In this pan I have some bacon grease, about a ½ tablespoon of butter. I've got some garlic going, and then I've added in a couple of sun-dried tomatoes. And now we are zoodling up our zucchini noodles because we do need to use these up. We are trying to be 0 waste or as less waste as possible. And so I am trying to use up these zoodles. So again, I'm doing just a quick little saute of these noodles. I don't like crunchy noodles. So I am sauteing them so that they will get tender. And then I'm just going to make a butter sauce. I did turn my heat down some because I don't want my garlic to burn. But this is going to be so, so excellent. And my kids like zucchini. Well, they like zoodles. And this is a spaghetti. If you have never heard of this, I got it at Walmart for $9.99. And we have used this thing so much. They have some that are better. And I actually got the attachment that I can use on my KitchenAid. I just have never opened it. I got it for Christmas, but I haven't used it quite yet. but I'm just getting this. I have 3 of these zucchinis that I have got to get visualized. So I'm going to keep working on this, and we'll show you what we're having for dinner. Alright, you guys, so I just sauteed up 3 zucchini and a little bit of bacon grease and butter. I also had a couple of sun-dried tomatoes that I chopped and some garlic. Then I added in a little bit of cheddar cheese. I didn't have any Parmesan, and just about ½ ounce of cream cheese, just to make it a little bit more cheesy. And then I'm going to take out our chicken, and then we'll show you what's for dinner. Okay, everybody, it is Tuesday night here, and here's what we're having for dinner. We're having some buffalo chicken. These are some Tyson Anytizers that I just put in the oven. They are 3 carbs for 3 ounces, so I probably have a little bit more than 3 ounces there. And then I have some sauteed zucchini, and we just put some bacon and some cheddar cheese and some cream cheese into it. So with some garlic and some butter. So that's what we're having for dinner. Sorry, you guys, there is a correction that tonight is Wednesday. We did not film last night. We had eggs because we had band practice. I sing on Tuesday nights and we were tired. So we just came home and had eggs. Tonight is Wednesday, January the 30th. And this is what we're having for dinner.
Okay guys, so this is the last day of What's for Dinner videos. It is Friday, and today we're having white chicken chili. Just put it in the crock pot, pop it now. Easy, simple, done. And we're gonna eat it. That's what we have for dinner.